In 2026, Goldman Sachs said one thing that scared 300 million people. AI will replace 300 million jobs permanently. Not slow down, not reduce, replace. Doctors, lawyers, writers, engineers, gone. But here is the strange part. A book written 1400 years ago already told us this would happen, and it told us exactly what to do when it did. Right now, AI writes code. It performs surgery. It drives trucks. It passes law exams. It scores higher than 90% of human students on medical tests. This is not the future. This is today. March 2026. Companies are already firing humans and replacing them with software that works 24 hours a day, never sleeps, never asks for money. Every person watching this is afraid of the same thing. Am I next? That fear is real. That fear is human. But that fear has an answer. In 2025, OpenAI released an AI agent that completed a full month of software work in 47 minutes. IBM stopped hiring humans for roles AI could fill. That was 7,800 jobs in one announcement. In China, a factory replaced 90% of its workers with robots. Production went up, costs went down, humans went home. The machine does not get tired. It does not need food. It does not pray. The Quran, Surah Al-Mulk 67:15, says this: "It is He who made the earth easy for you, so walk in its paths and eat from His provision." Walk, move, seek. The Quran does not say sit and wait. It says the provision is already placed. Your job is to find the path to it. AI did not close the path. AI changed where the path is. Here is what nobody is telling you. Every single time in human history that a machine replaced a job, new jobs appeared that the machine could not do. The printing press killed the hand-copying job. It created publishing, journalism, education. The car killed the horse industry. It created mechanics, engineers, roads, cities. AI is killing repetitive thinking jobs. It is creating something new, but only for people who move. Close your eyes for 1 second. You are sitting somewhere right now, reading, thinking, feeling something in your chest about your future. That feeling, that awareness, that ability to question. No machine has it. No AI wakes up at 3 a.m. worried about its purpose. No algorithm has ever felt the weight of responsibility for another human being. That is yours alone. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, over 1400 years ago, "Tie your camel first, then put your trust in Allah." This hadith is about preparation before trust. It means do the work, learn the new skill, adapt, move. Then trust that Allah will provide. This is not passive faith. This is active faith. The people most afraid of AI are the ones who stopped learning. The people least afraid are the ones who learned how to use it. One group is waiting. One group is walking. The Quran told you which group to be in 14 centuries before the machine existed. AI is not your enemy. Stillness is your enemy. The machine can replace your hands. It cannot replace your soul. It cannot replace your intention. It cannot replace the reason you wake up every morning and choose to be better. Allah created you with something no code can carry: purpose. And purpose, in any age, in any century, against any machine, always finds a path. The question was never, will AI replace me? The question is, who will I become next?